across the state is that we recognize that brain injury cases can often be subtle. Sometimes brain injury cases are obvious. You've been knocked unconscious, you may have had a direct head strike. But in our experience in handling traumatic brain injury cases, we call them TBIs, we've found that someone who suffers a minor TBI may not even be aware of it. They might be aware only of a change of personality. They might be aware that they've been crying. They might be aware that they're emotionally agitated. We recognize those symptoms. In handling a traumatic brain injury case, I have two roles as an attorney. One, of course, is to get you the maximum compensation. But the second role is as important. We want to see you get better. And we have connections, for instance, to the Brain Injury Alliance of Connecticut that offer support groups, that may offer you assistance, that will direct you to providers who can help you to get better. And that's what it's all about.
My name is Philip Linder, and I'm a founding partner of the firm Barrett, Bright, Lassiter, Linder, and Perez. I've been practicing criminal law in Dallas, Texas, North Texas, and in the federal courts around the country for over 20 years. I handle cases in both state court and federal court. In state court, everything ranging from low-range DWIs and drug and theft cases all the way up to higher-end aggravated assault cases and murder cases. In federal court, we handle everything from drug conspiracy cases to white-collar fraud, securities fraud, and mortgage fraud. I have a lot of experience dealing with law enforcement. I myself was a prosecutor for several years. I know several of the prosecutors in both the state and federal arena. So when I have a client that's charged with a crime, I'm usually able to establish a dialogue with the law enforcement agency or the prosecutor that's handling the case. A lot of times before that case is ever filed or indicted. Establishing this dialogue and getting on a level playing field is very important in representing someone who's charged with a criminal case. It can help lessen the sentence, it can help reduce